Welcome everybody. I'm going to be talking about my zero effort approach to real estate investing. Remember back when I started this, we started with a budgeting sheet, and that budgeting sheet included PITIA, which was principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and association dues. And those are all of the components that make up the mortgage. The basic way to analyze a property is what I did in that first video, showing you that the PITIA needs to be 75% of my projected rental income. That's a pretty safe purchase for me here in California. Now I'm here in Orange County, which is a notoriously expensive real estate market, and I just applied a really basic real estate strategy when I purchased this property. I looked at what it would rent for to make sure that it would cover the mortgage payment and more, bring me some income when I moved on to my next property, but I also wanted to buy an undervalued property, get it reappraised, and take some cash out to provide a down payment for my next property. And that's what I did here with this property. I purchased it for $370,000. The seller repainted it, put new floors in, a new countertop, and the other thing they did was scrape the ceilings. So they did all this work for me for free. So right off the bat, if I got the property appraised with all of that work, I would probably be looking at a $400,000 property. That is a gain of $30,000 right off the bat, which was fantastic. That type of thing does not always happen, but it doesn't hurt to ask the seller when you're in the process of buying their property. So I got this stuff for free. The next thing I did was just kind of make the property look good. I put in a yard in the front, some plants, some succulents, which are very low effort. I barely have to water them, and it looks more like a home. I put all of this Craigslist furniture in here. I put in brand new appliances so I wouldn't have to worry about my appliances. Altogether, all of the furniture and the new appliances and the new TVs cost me about $3,000. So I put $3,000 into this property, and then I went out and I got it appraised. I got this property appraised recently for $420,000. That is a gain of $50,000 with very minimal effort. And this is a very basic real estate principle. You can buy an ugly property, make it look better, and then get it reappraised and take the cash out. I didn't have to do any renovation. I didn't have to fix this property up. I barely did any work, and I made $50,000. So then I did a cash out refinance, and because of the coronavirus stuff going on, I couldn't cash out at an 80% loan to value. If I did that, the rate would be much higher, so I did 75% loan to value. So instead of getting a lot of cash back, I only got $39,000 out of this deal. All said and done, that's really not that bad. So I took my $39,000, I put it in the bank, and I'm gonna go put it to work in my other investments. But that is the zero effort approach to real estate investing. I just used a very basic real estate investing principle, that is the discounted cash flow analysis, and I applied it to the real estate here in Orange County. That is all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you enjoy your car.